What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video, guys. In today's video, we're going to give you an update on OccamFi's. We're going to give you an update on the two IDOs coming up, Duelist tomorrow, and Ardana has also been announced. Yes, Ardana, it's huge. But before we get started, let me make sure that I hit you with a disclaimer, guys. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is not going to be financial advice. Please make sure that you are always doing your own due diligence and research before you're investing any of your hard-earned money. With that said, guys, let's hop into it. I gotta firstly though give a shout out to Bitcoin, guys. We're looking at $66,750 on the daily. We have not yet closed a candle. We are wicking above the all-time high. That is great news. We are setting up for an amazing bull run, and I cannot wait to see what's in store for the next few months, guys. Moving on, guys. I did talk about OccamFi's on the 15th. I told you guys OccamFi's was on sale. It was down at around $4.70 at the very low. When I made this video, it was around $5.05. The next day after that, we went down to 4.70. If you take a look here, look what I said. But guys, that's where I like to buy in, and we are here, guys. Not to mention, look at the RSI. So in terms of pricing, in terms of timing, this is a good time to start looking at this. And guys, it was a good time to start looking at this, because if we look at what OccamFi's is doing now, and I still have the drawings there from that day, we have recovered from the bottom of this RSI. We are on our way up. A lot of this has to do with the upcoming IDOs, guys, and of course what Bitcoin is doing. But if you got in, let's say around $4.70, you're looking at up until now about a 30 to 45 or 48% gain on your investment. And guys, we are a full 262% away from the previous all-time highs, and you better believe that we're at least going to match that by the end of this bull run. We'll probably surpass that, guys. Keep that in mind as you're thinking about or considering investing in this project. Okay, let's hop over to the first IDO, which is going to be the Duelist King. If you look on the Occam Razor platform, it is going to be coming out tomorrow, October 21st, guys. So let's hop into it and dive into what this is actually going to be. It's a pretty badass looking card game, that's what it is. But in all seriousness, guys, this is going to be a pretty well thought out game that's actually going to be developed on the Cardano blockchain. As you know, everything on OccamFi's is on the Cardano blockchain, and you can see here about us, guys. The Duelist King offers a dual values for investors from token utilities and card sales. So you're getting value both from the DAO system of the built-in DAO system of the token, as well as the actual cards themselves that are going to be NFTs that are obviously valuable depending on the rarity, that can also be sold. And those are the cards that you're actually going to be using, like you saw in that demo, to compete and play or win to earn, guys. In addition, guys, so I just mentioned win to earn, right? Duelist King aims to transform the way people play, participate, and earn in games through top-notch gameplay, asset designs, and advocacy for sustainable future of the win to earn. So let's quickly go and take a look at what the DK DAO is all about. And you can see there is a white paper. I do advise that you go and take a look at it so you're familiar with what you're investing in. But Duelist King democratization, NFT card games, guys. So essentially what they're doing is they are combining the power of a DAO and tokenization to provide a transparent, community-owned, and incentive-based card game, guys. They are the first project that actually showcases a DK DAO. There are no other projects or card game projects that are doing this. So this is a first mover. It is on Cardano, so keep that in mind as you think about investing in this. In addition, they're unleashing the power of blockchain to provide transparent, community-owned, and permissionless gaming, guys. This DK DAO actually, and the way that it's built, it has a verifiable random number generator built in, so we know that the card distribution is fair, which is huge. All right, but outside of actually investing in this through, and you can see here, there are some of their partners and investors that they have here. They have a huge backing. Definitely a couple of payday VCs, but also some medium tier VCs. Panther Capital is there. If you watch their channel, they're also invested. But guys, what I wanted to highlight here, yeah, they are on OccamFi's, but there's also a way to do an IFO, an initial farm offering, to be able to get into this token, and I will leave a link to that. It's actually a Medium article that explains in detail of what you need to do in order to get into this. Essentially, you're just providing Cake BNB liquidity on PancakeSwap. This link will be in the description. Check it out, guys. But that's enough time spent on the Duelist King. Again, this is coming out on the 21st. Again, the actual initial farm offering is on the 27th. So if you miss or if you are not included on the OccamFi's IDO, you still have a chance of getting some tokens early at the actual IFO. So let's move on to the next project, which is going to be Ardana. And guys, I've gone back over to the OccamFi's Razor platform where all the IDOs are listed, and Ardana here on the top right, you can see the start date is not yet listed. However, per their announcement channel, this is actually going to be launching on the 4th of November. So you have plenty of time to prepare for this one, guys. And it's a big one, guys, because this is actually an on-chain asset-backed stablecoin protocol. Guys, it's huge. The stablecoin is over-collateralized with on-chain native assets, guys. Over-collateralized, meaning they have more collateral worth than stable coins that will be in circulation. That is actually a very positive thing when you're looking at regulation and people actually doing some audits, making sure that, hey, you guys are offering stable coins, but do you actually have the assets to back this up? And in case assets values go down, you have to be over collateralized to be able to back your assets, right? So this is actually a very good design. I love this project. Let's take a look at their website. So here you can see mint, trade, stake, and earn ADA, guys. The first all-in-one stablecoin ecosystem built on Cardano. So what is Ardana? Ardana is a decentralized stablecoin hub which will bring the necessary DeFi primitives needed to bootstrap and maintain any economy on Cardano. Ardana offers an on-chain asset-backed stablecoin and a decentralized stable asset DEX, guys. So they are also going to be a decentralized exchange. Let's go further down into it, guys. It's fully decentralized. There's going to be borrowing. There's going to be store of value. And again, it's powered by Cardano's scalability, speed, and security. The DUSD or the Dana stablecoin is verifiably backed by an on-chain collateral and will enable borrowers to take leverage on their ADA or other supported assets. So guys, there's going to be ADA as well as other supported assets that you can actually use to borrow stablecoins. Dana swap, guys, there's lure slippage, savings account, earn trading fees, there's foreign exchange, Dana token, and governance, guys. Come and look at this website, familiarize yourself. I'm not going to dive into it too much, guys. I want to make sure that you guys are doing your own research. I believe in it. I'm investing in it. Well, I'm investing in every single IDO on OccamFi's just because it makes no sense not to, since my tier allows for it. But guys, this one is one I truly believe in the fundamentals. This is one of the few that I would actually hold outside of just the bull market, making sure that I maximize my position over time as I accumulate it through the bear market, guys. So guys, come on and check this out. Look at the partners here. They have Cody, which you already know is going to be another stablecoin provider. Liquid Finance is another huge one that's coming out on the Cardano infrastructure. Guys, Angels is one of their investors, C Fund, right? So they do have some really good VCs that are also a part of this. So this is a top-notch project. This is definitely something worth looking at. So make sure that you go and take a look at this project. Prepare yourself. Again, November 4th is when this comes out, guys. And that is where I'm going to leave it, guys. I hope that this was informative for you. I hope that you are able to take this information, do your own research, and make a decision based on that, guys. I will leave you with that. If you like the content, hit the like, hit me with a subscribe, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.